Hello, I am Rupa. Welcome to my class. In the last video, we had discussed about features of living things in detail. Now, let us study about non-living things, that is, features of non-living things and types of non-living things. Non-living things. Things that do not have life are called non-living things. For example, table, chair, rocks, toys, computer, etc. They do not need food, water and air. Moon and stars are also called non-living things. Do you ever seen table or chair that moves by itself? No, only with the help of man it can be moved. Have you ever seen a stone or mountains that eat food or drink water? No, isn't it? It is impossible. Now, let us see some features of non-living things. The main features are they cannot move on their own. They do not need air to breathe in. They do not need food to eat. They can neither feel. They cannot reproduce. Now, let us have a look on types of non-living things. Non-living things can be categorized into man-made and natural non-living things. Now, let us see about man-made things. Things which are man-made are called man-made non-living things. For example, house, shoes, clothes, vehicles, furniture, etc. Natural non-living things. Things which are found in nature and not made by man are called natural non-living things. For example, soil, sun, water, mountain, stars, etc. So far, we have discussed about non-living things with examples, features of non-living things and types of non-living things. Thank you for watching.